Lingportal Online School presents
Conditionals Test. Can you score 15 out of 15 on these tricky questions? Do you know how to use conditionals and mixed conditionals in your speech? Test your English grammar with these exercises and check out the explanations for help. If babies are hungry, they cry. If I were you, I would take this job. If you read the document, you will sign it. Talking about the result of an imagined future situation, when we believe that the imagined situation is very likely, we use the first conditional. If I had more time, I would learn English grammar. I will call the police if you don't get off my property. Is this sentence correct or not? Yes, this sentence is correct. We can also use another modal verb in the main clause. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the party. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. In real conditional sentences, we can use the past simple or past continuous in both clauses for past situations. If I were you, I would take this job. If you had come to the meeting yesterday, you would have found out the news. If he had told the truth, he wouldn't be in trouble now. My wife was sure to conclude, if nobody bought food yesterday, we will eat nothing. I would have understood his speech if I spoke English. Did you get it right? Perfect! Good luck with your English learning journey.